Hi everyone, welcome back to Dash of Spices. Today is another rice recipe. I'm going to share to you how I made this egg fried rice. This is a very quick and easy fried rice recipe. All you need is 2 ingredients: rice, leftover rice, and some eggs. If you want to learn how I made this, please keep on watching. And here's our ingredients. Most of these ingredients, you should have this in your fridge or in your pantry already. Those are just easy ingredients. Let's start with the 2 eggs. Whisk the eggs together. Season this with black ground pepper, salt, and garlic powder. You could add your favorite seasoning as well, but I want to keep this as simple as possible. And whisk again until they're completely combined. Now our second main ingredients, the white steamed rice. This is about leftover rice. If you want to learn how I cook rice, this white rice, I provided the link down below in the description box. So let's start with adding oil into the wok. Make sure that the wok is nice and hot. Add about tablespoon of oil. I'm going to brown this garlic. I'm just going to infuse the oil with the garlic. If you want to include the garlic into your fried rice, make sure that you dice the garlic. What I'm doing right here is just browning it and releasing the flavor to it, to the oil. Just remove it and place it in a container. You could use that later on. And now back in the wok, I'm going to cook that egg. Make sure that you're still using a hot temperature, about medium to high heat. Once the eggs start forming like that, make sure that you don't fully cook the egg. Just keep moving it and moving it so it won't cook right away. Once the texture is like that, like halfway cooked, go ahead and turn the heat into medium heat. Set that aside or push that aside. Add another oil, a tablespoon of oil. Add the onions. You're going to cook the onions for less than a minute, just enough to mix it with the egg. Just make sure that they're well incorporated together. Keep moving the egg so the egg won't get overcooked. Once that's done, add another oil, a tablespoon of oil. And now we're going to add the rice. The best way to use rice for the fried rice is the leftover rice, or a fresh cooked rice, as long as they're room temperature and not hot. And just mix that. Again, mix until everything are well combined. Cooking this again on a medium heat. You don't have to cook this on a high heat since the rice is already cooked. Once they're combined like that, go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I just pour that soy sauce on the side. I noticed that it will actually distribute the soy sauce evenly if you do it that way. And mix continuously until the soy sauce and the rice are combined and the soy sauce are well distributed. Go ahead and add the chopped green onions. And this should be done, but since I'm an Asian, I'm gonna add a little bit of Asian flavor here, which is the sesame oil. This is optional, but you could get this sesame oil in any grocery store now. They have an Asian aisle like Walmart. They have that in there. Any sesame oil will do. Mix and turn the heat off. This is done. This is ready to serve. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions about this recipe, please leave us a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. That will help us make more videos. Again, this is the quickest and easiest way how to make an egg fried rice. Serve it while it is hot. Thank you everyone for watching. Until next time, please come back and see us. Again, please subscribe to our channel. Appreciate you guys coming back to our channel. Share this recipe. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Ciao. Okay, let's see what Jazzy thinks. She just woke up.
I like it.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Good?